Welcome to Traveling Bits. Today we are going to Munnekolala Lake Park. It is located very near to Marathahalli Bridge in Bangalore. After the second wave of COVID-19, the park has reopened now. The park is open from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning and from 3:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. in the evening. Alright, let's go in and explore it out. Let's take a walk. Beautiful flowers. Yeah, let's take a walk. Munnekolala Lake is spread over an area of about 15 acres of land. On one side, it touches Marathahalli. On the other side, it touches AECS layout of Kundannahalli. Surrounding the lake, there are many premier apartment buildings like Pura Riviera, Rohan Vasantha, etc. The lake was facing ruin and it had been restored a few years back by BBMP, which is the Municipal Corporation of Bengaluru, and two NGOs named United Way Bengaluru and the Northern Trust. As you can now see, the lake ecosystem now looks in a very good shape with jogging track, water in the lake, green cover and also sitting arrangements. There are some sitting arrangements as you can see, but if you sit here, you will have mosquitoes as your company. Munnekolala Lake has an active lake community known as the Munnekolala Lake Restoration Association. This community works with various NGOs and the BBMP for better upkeep and restoration of the lake area. Let's try to get inside here and see. There are some these are for children. There is also a sitting arrangement. These are all for children. Munnekolala Lake has done a decent job of creating wetlands, lake habitat and good green cover. This is very important in big cities where open space is a scarce commodity. This allows citizens of such cities to come and revel in nature again. This large banyan tree did catch my attention. It is a good place to sit and unwind, sit, maybe read something, and also maybe think or just give wings to your thoughts. Just besides, I see here a place of a local deity, and some people, I think, just praying and giving their homage. Let's move ahead and look more on the lake ecosystem. There is another place where you can sit or maybe even take shelter during rain. What I'm really liking about Munnekolala Lake is its green cover. It's a lake ecosystem, but even in this concise place, they have made or they have put the green cover in a beautiful way. On the left-hand side is the gate on the AECS layout for exit or entry. Let's go to the lake bed now. This corner of the lake bed not only gives a clean view of the lake but also of the skyline on the other side, comprising premier buildings like Pura Riviera, Rohan Vasantha, etc. The park also features a children's play area comprising decent playing equipments. This is a really good thing in cities where children find hardly any spaces to play outside. That's it for today. Do let us know how did you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel Traveling Bits and click on the bell icon for future updates. Also remember to like, share and give your feedback through comments. See you again. Have a good day.